Hey, it's ClayTrader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol VSR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice move today. Gap up. Price did pull back a little bit and then essentially spent the remainder of the day just kind of slowly grinding its way back upwards. So all in all, though, good solid day for the bulls. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we'll talk areas of resistance. So the ideal level of support going forward, I mean, hey, Clay, what's going to make this chart look the absolute strongest? If the price can stay up above $1.45, that is definitely going to, like I said, be the ideal situation. Now, if the price drops below $1.45, I'm not saying that everything's totally ruined or anything like that. But as far as, again, best case scenario, that's going to make the chart look the strongest. Staying above $1.45 is going to do exactly that. Now, taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things, really it's all about the purple line right here, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. And when I bring that up because as time goes by, that line is just going to move its way upwards like that. So from the big picture perspective again, you know, when you just stop and think about it, what does the price have to do in order to stay above that line that's increasing? Well, the price itself needs to continue to increase as time goes by. And that's what a bullish move is by definition. And that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they essentially insult your intelligence. So case in point here, a very simplistic way to measure the health of the chart and the health of this current move is that as time goes by, as long as the price stays up above that purple line, bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Really two levels of resistance. I'll start off with the fun one. I call it the fun one because, yeah, who doesn't like to talk about, you know, testing previous highs and breaking new highs? And that's where this level comes into play up there at $1.77. But in many cases, as is the case here, usually there's there's an initial bridge that needs to be crossed before you start talking about the fun level of resistance. And in this case, it's right here at the $1.67 mark. You can see on a couple different occasions this afternoon, bulls try to get up above it, but couldn't quite do it. So don't get me wrong, $1.77 is indeed a level of resistance. But before you start talking about that level, first key battleground that the bulls are going to need to get through is $1.67. All in all, though, very nice day. So it'll be interesting to see how this one unfolds the remainder of the week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.